Looking for a perfect family home in a quiet setting? Well, you're going to want to take this tour with me at 4006 115th Avenue, where this property has been meticulously maintained over the years with tons of upgrade, including the stunning, fully renovated kitchen. Over $50,000 was spent on this kitchen, all brand new cabinets, upgraded stainless steel appliances, and quartz countertops, and a lovely backsplash. The windows are brand new, and the living space is huge and a perfect addition to this home. It's a charming 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's situated on a landscape lot in a quiet location backing onto a non-operational school for added privacy and tranquility. There's a large, spacious living room with tons of natural light and elegant molding details. The primary bedroom is spacious and airy, and there is a 4-piece bathroom on the main floor, as well as an additional bedroom. As you move downstairs, there's a second kitchen area, and as well as a large recreation room with a bar. Lots of windows that have been replaced. There's vinyl planking upstairs, and some major upgrades include newer windows, newer roof and easetroughs. Even the sewer liner was replaced with a backup valve for peace of mind. There's newer furnace, newer plumbing, and newer hot water tank. There are 2 bedrooms in the basement, as well as a 3-piece bathroom. So it's large enough for a family to enjoy. As you move outdoors, you'll notice how large the backyard is. It has a storage shed as well as a big 2-car garage. There's plenty of space to store an RV or to put a garden in, and it comes with this gazebo as well. It's in a tree-lined street, quiet, close to Highlands Golf Course, schools, trails, and the river valley. Only 15 minutes from downtown, this location is perfect for you to enjoy. Make this yours today. Karen Stanko with Remax. For a feature sheet on this or properties like this, click on my link below and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me. The wait is over. Make this yours today.